Knees. Toes. Opponents. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Instructions. 3 you turn. Okay? 3 you turn. Okay? 1. 1. Guys, instructions and reaction. 1. Now put it there. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, wait. 1, 2, 2, 3. On schedule. Okay. Now 1 you clap. Yeah? 2 you jump. 2 you jump. 3 you turn. Okay? 1, 1, 2. What's your name? One, 1, 3. Well, listen and react, okay? 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. All right, now take a step back. 1 step back. This is a cone. Okay. Now, now you all have a cone in front of you. Yes, you remove it. You are competing for the cone. Grab it, okay? Put the cones back. Have you heard? So reaction and instructions, okay? Are you ready? Head. Knees. Shoulders. Cone. Okay, tusiseo. Again, we repeat. Cones down.
Cones down.
Head. Toes. Shoulders. Shoulders bana imibide. Shoulders.
Laba shoulders oli akute ku mavivi.
Knees. Cone. I'm lying. I'm lying. Again, go down, go down. Make sure that distance is the same. Now, take 2 steps back. 1, 2. 2 steps. Bend. Are you ready? Head.
So mikono ibidi teka hiyo.
Toes. Shoulders. Knees. Head. Knees. Toes.
Gaga ndio samye kati. Ambassador fena tu. Oliaga fena tu firwe. Fena tu firwe.
Take 2 steps back.
Dema bega pasi definitely go put in the
2 steps back.
La wali.
2 steps. Good. Head. Shoulders.
Bada kukoni wewe.
Knees. Knees.
Bada kukoni.
Head. Don't touch the cone before I say cone, okay? Head. Knees. Cone.
Odikuya no ruyi. Odikuya no ruyi so
Last one. I don't have enough cone.
Charles Oliwa. Charles. Charles Aduse.
Last one, guys, be serious. 2 steps back. 2 steps back.
Amukisa begukulema mugere.
Head.
Nyabo.
Knees. Toes.
Koni.
Head.
Wewe dinga tulamuke.
Cone. Okay, Staying away, Mubande. Last one. Last one. Charles.
Sema Charles jangu.
Are you ready? Now, Done. Make one front line for 10 people. 10 people in front and arms straight. Only 10 people in front, then 10. Then another line, 10. You count yourself. 10, you go behind. You don't 10. Faster. Yes.
Nini? Ukambo test.
Fit. Chachiro.
Okay.
Bulon
Push
so.
back. Push back. You have the feel of the music. Good. Are you ready? So you're going to follow what instructor Moki is going to do, okay? Hassan, follow. Irene.
We can't see him at the back. Maybe he needs a ladder.
Push. Hassan, ball. Okay, DJ.
Resort. Paper is set. Out. Waingira muna na utembea kaimba.
Let's dance to our song.
Okay. You're repeating one more time. Then you end that. It is
8. I followed the strategy.
And then down, I will never leave you. I will never leave you. I dedicate my life to you, my God. Okay, let's get our hands together. Hold your hand.
Brian,
Go to Brian. Okay. You know how we do it. We're moving it outside. We're moving it outside. Vanai, come over, Vanai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Negeza kuwapa himba. Gari mwakati negeza uno taise, negeza uno mlezi.
Kuna kwa imba Bugana ngo tuzini la kale. Bana, kila sarawani asize maganda. Tukawa points. Tukawa masodisha kwa.
About this, no. About this,
Ato nonga yavuddeyo. Gwanga yavuddeyo. Nga wavuddeyo.
Yavuddemu olubirizo.
Nije kuba. Nije kuba. Taiso kuwa. Ogama Max.
Aisha.
Ayogerera ku microphone ngawa.
Asukana mulingala. Amagana tukapenda mulingala. Bana abakiswa tukena mulingala kati. Bana wani kabisa timu yo.
7 cheza.
Aya DJ lingala.
Muwe microphone. Muwe microphone.
Gaga.
We are going to add up. Together to run the guy as is. Aya. Awareness. Budomo groups. Bale tuangue. They have to be only 4 people. And the final, I'm going to add up the marks to that side.
Okay, DJ Maganda first. So Maganda.
As a team, like those are same team.
What same team? Same team. But you know what team? Which group? Venus.
Apeni na uli mu team yenu.
Okay, Chiganda first. What you're going to do, yeah? You have to go forward, eh? You have to go forward again.
Nedda.
Jaja kabima.
Omufu webikola.
Ono sabuta.
Jaja.
Aya, Lingala wiko. Lingala. Anasoka. Lingala.
Pendi mama wendi supisa.
Oh, what day?
Eddie ya Josema.
Haya. DJ. Eddie akisema mo. Haya DJ. Make some noise for Eddie. Yo! Eddie. Jaji ngozi. Bana isa. Lingala. Asoka.
Ni also I wanted.
Edi asoseo.
Coach. Msaje wewe mkoto na yeye mbona adaga. Mbona mko?
Tena muta. Ngatabana maliza. Kama kwa katu atuwemo.
Aje. Mumule katuwemo.
Baya bana wako.
Eda alido sana mutana.
Sana mutana azili. Alide chinana. Alide atana.
Opendi toiza musi.
Alide chinana.
Edi.
Kwa nini kwa item msema hii hapa? Batwala sana lumu. Aya. Najua kwa tuwemo. Lingala katika hapo. Obugalo wa jaji. Contemporary parts. What's the winning team? You are the marks. What was the winning team?
Nemo akasema kucheza okay. Macho ndo zika.
Bana ngatwambuka ndio mwalo ndeko wano kasasi yotugende naye.
Mumbe wano. Bibo ngende wali wagulu mbe nabo.
Katinga chisa wachi baby, deka mumo timo onye mita minisa tukumita abenkubye ziri kusuubiza kintu kuva mutowo ya mutima kuba teri mama nkona ebyange biva ku kiwowolo kwagala kuva ku tobo ya kiwowolo tange eyo we watali bulimba oli mulungi sanali tu Disemba ono mwana wa birota njirira kufa yansima yamusima kani nawe yakyama nedda yakyali waka yankomire kule ono mwana wa birota njirira kufa yansima yamusima kani nawe yakyama nedda yakyali waka yankomire kule Maurice Jordan kaweza Doni toba kubete tuwaweza Maurice Jordan kaweza Doni toba kubete tuwaweza Nakela kumachanga nyingira site kukola kufuna yosi kulabirira Tabo manyini kibuga kukela kwa subuhi tembea nifanya kazi
Ocho. Oi kagasi kagwa mudda. Ndi mukanoonya bunoonya.
All right, how are you? Well done. So everyone, you have a seat. Got it. Now, apart, we are not calling bibs, okay? You have understood? The next activity is called Common Truth, okay? Yes, Common Truth. So analyze your neighbor critically. Okay?
On which side?
Yes.
The left
So,
or the right?
not both sides. Tolemera madam. So, have you seen your neighbor? So if I mention shoes, you all switch positions. If I mention shoes and you're putting on shoes, you switch position. Asigala sit, you lose up, okay? You are the... If I call shoes, when you get hunting at... When ngamba engato, uliamba dengato, gono nyewali aine engato. Now you switch as fast as you can. When ngamba ebigeri, aine mo erobo yamba dengato. When basogete choina, you stay in your seat. You move anywhere. Yes, you can move anywhere, but faster. Are you ready? Shoes. Richard, join us. Okay? Listening skills, okay? Muchilabye. No, what you do, you shift. You have to shift, okay? As fast as you can. Shoes. Now, but you have to be as fast as you can, okay? Yes, I know I'm calling just a common thing. Shoes, yes. No, for now we are going to identify. You understanding? Eh? Now, if I say sneakers, our sneaker, the sneakers. You have to shift. Kali, shoelaces. Shoelaces, Omara. Toina mugwabwanga neba na laba. Laces, labo. Kali. Now, I'm calling out braids. What about the manufacturers? Sing up. Kaja ampola. Socks. Charles, remember the socks. What you say? Yeah, but watch remember the socks. Okay, cups. Funyeyo, beni hapo kajeo. Aha.
Watu wali mu restaurant twalabira mama.
Earrings. Dokaska. Cha. Yeah. Ate, so remember the earrings. Young. I'm not talking about the earrings. I choose again.
Ona.
Aha, Victor akakajeo. Akate. Aha. Aha. Black. Pastor, boss, you're putting on black, you don't know. Hey, your tongue. Look here, guys. Hey, God. Hey. Aha, we call shots. Okay. Kaja, shoes. Uli ayamba deka tubondo situka. Now, that's it. Now these people are calling. Now, Jamino Kola, Wina calling up over seat join up stool. What's the join up Gamba, Wakachovala, Tura was Sam. Tom, Umgamba, Vest. No Tukano Tura. Yena Nunya Walaga. Ya maninga naye wa failing nga jao.
Ero tukobye. Bonna bagenda tujja mu mudde.
Ne fasa yo family tumongo. Abakapata.
Batia.
Martin, come. Richard, come. And Ben, come. Afunewe mutula. If you want to Richard, go see first.
Katonda wange.
You all have a phone? And now that is your trophy. Take a step back. So when I say head, you touch your head. Shoulders, shoulders. Knees, knees. When I say cone, you grab the cone. Okay? So, yes.
Cone?
Before I say cone, don't touch it. Okay? Yes, you grab it. You're competing for the cone. If I say head, shoulders, emweta mfulege kemu jasam walumia to. Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Brian, tu bidi watch.
Those are 3.
No excuse. No excuse. And more. No excuse. Start with. Yes. Hey. Okay. When I say no excuse, start with fruits. When I say fruits, just mention a fruit.
No one is supposed to repeat it.
Nobody is supposed to repeat it. All together. Consultation, no repeat it. No excuse. No excuse. Start with fruits.
Kiwi.
Grapes.
Consultation, no repeat it. No excuse. No excuse. Start with girls' names.
Rolling. Here. Harriet. Jackie.
Consultation, no repeat it. No excuse. Start with boys' names. We repeat one more time. Consultation, no repeat it. No excuse. Start with animals.
Cow.
No more gonna get him. Much is it? So again, when I say only what damage it in that. Yes.
Only around.
Yes. Concentration, no repeating, no excuse, no excuse. Start with types of shoes.
Adidas. Hey.
On a bien mes shoes, this one is off. Concentration, no repeating, no excuse, no excuse. Start with
Michael.
Concentration, no repeating, no excuse, no excuse. Start with types of soil.
Clear soil.
No repeating, no excuse, no excuse, no excuse. Starting with fruits.
Orange.
When I say this side is where you see the coins, is the final destination. When I say red light, you stop. When I say green light, you move. How to get? You just move. You have to make sure you reach the other side. Anything you do. But if I say red light when you're still moving, you are eliminated. How to get? When I said green light, when you're moving, you move. When I said red light, stop. How to get? But when you're eliminated, how to get? Let's first try. When you reach the corner, are you ready? Green light, red light. Bora bayenyiza ngavayo. Green light, red light. Ali mu red John. Green light, red light. Green light, red light. Now, Asudaka TV. Green light, red light. Green light, red light. Red light.
Awujaba sobolao.
Green light, red light. 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 Red light. Green light, red light. Green light, red light. Red light. Green light, red light. Green light, red light. Green light, red light. Red light. Green light,
Tuchagire amaso. Repeat one more time. The last time. Now we're going this side. Tusigane. Katuveno today. Okay, are we ready? Green light, red light. 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 Green light.
Harriet!
Red light. Green light, 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 red light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Red light.
Maurice Jordan Kawesa, Donito Bakowete tuwaweza. Maurice Jordan Kawesa, Donito Bakowete tuwaweza. Nakela kumachanga nyingira site kukola kufuna yosigula binyeba. Kabo manyiye yechibuga kukela kwa subuhi tembea nifanya kazi. Laba katonda cheyagereka sosolya bwataferi embakwata. Bansala ndaba malaika yakola newolo lya msinga nemaya. Omutima negunkuba konze mutandise tya babo manyi ebikibuga kugezaako kulemerako nga kyatwela namusalako kinigazi ratatatatata nzijayo za radio. Hello pretty girl onyirira bityanisa bankobozeeko amanya bampita Maurice ne bampita Jordan kiba kyekimu.
Tutula yo, leta tutula tulimbela. Come
The winner is our music ya Buzewo. Anyama nyaka imbaka ababa. The winner is none other than
Mas.
the one and only forever winning. Chitumenya. The winner, Juptan Man.
Gwele taseko kwa kamera. Gwe jangwe no. Ojitwala wa. Gwe. Leta no sekoko.